हैरी ब्रो,
Yeah, bro.
ये क्या चल रहा है भाई?
Please.
हम तो ट्रेडिंग की बात कर रहे थे.
टिक्की ट्रेडिंग हो रही है.
ये तो टिक्की
कभी टिक्की खा रहे हैं, कभी पिज्जा खा रहे हैं.
What is up, everybody? Just Dhillon here, back here with another video. Before we get into this video, sorry I didn't post for 3 weeks. I know. I didn't have my laptop with me, so I wasn't able to edit any of these videos. But no need to worry. I have my laptop with me right now. So you guys can expect a video each and every week talking about real estate, talking about finance, talking about anything related to money and how you guys can grow your money. So in this video, we'll be talking about how you guys can get started into trading, how you guys can open up a trading account, and how you guys can grow your money basically. Plus we'll be exploring around the city. Like right now it's the evening, you guys can see the sky right behind me. It's amazingly beautiful, so stay tuned with me. First of all, like this video right now, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. All right guys, now we're walking. It's myself and my cousin Harry right here with me. So we're walking to the train station, as I told you that I would show you Winnipeg right now. So it's I believe it's December 4th when I'm making this video, and it's beautiful outside. Like, and you can see right behind me the sky is looking amazing. So now we're going to the track station. And definitely stay tuned throughout the whole video, where we actually will be talking about how you guys can start investing and buying stocks, buying index funds, buying all that kind of stuff. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we're at the bus station right now. Behind the bus station are one of the train tracks that CN goes through. So I'm with my cousin Harry, as you guys saw. He's he's doing all kinds of stuff in the background. So Harry, let's introduce yourself. When did you come to Canada?
Hey guys, I'm Harry. I'm originally came to Toronto, guys. I had a lot of fun. I studied there for 3 years, robotics engineering. What up, Centennial?
So you studied from the college, Centennial College?
Centennial College, that's right.
Okay.
And then I found a job in Toronto.
Okay.
Getting a PR in Toronto, in my time they changed the rules.
Okay.
So I had to move to Prince Edward's Island.
Okay,
what up?
Yeah, so
guy?
so he didn't get his PR in Toronto because it's a bit harder to get your permanent residency in Toronto in the Ontario province. So then you had to move to
Prince Edward Island.
How long did it take you to get your permanent residency there?
Once I got there, it took me only 6 to 7 months.
6 to 7 months. Wow. So it took him 6 to 7 months to get his permanent residency in Prince Edward Island while he was in Ontario. That didn't work out, right?
I got my work permit. I spent about 2.5 years there. I almost applied, and then they switched the rules on me. Yeah. But hey, I had a friend who showed me this neat new program that Canadian government came out with. So I packed my bags and
Okay, so quick side note, if you guys are interested on how Harry came here as an international student, got his work permit
from student permit to all the way to how I applied to citizenship in about 7-8 years. Yeah, let me know.
Yeah, definitely let me know in the comments, because he has a background in immigration. He completed his immigration consultancy course as well
from Humber College. Karan, I just want to let you know and let the viewers know as well that Canadian immigration rules change all the time, and especially with COVID this year, there have been a lot of changes, especially for students who would like to come in, and visas have been scarce. So get on it, guys. Let us know in the comments, and we'll tell you how you can save money by not going through an agency, because it is very simple. And yeah, we'll go step by step. If you guys want, we could make a whole separate video on this.
Let me know in the comments, and I'll make a completely separate video on how to go about doing that. So now, getting back to the topic of this video, how you guys can get started into investing in stocks and opening up a trading account. Harry actually came to me now that he's working full time he has some extra income. So with that extra income, you want to grow that money.
That's right. You already know, Karan, that investing is way to get ahead in Canada.
Exactly.
And that's why I came to you. And I think stocks, especially this year, stocks have been going crazy.
Yeah.
So I want to get in and make some money.
Exactly. So the platform that I'll be talking to you guys about, it's called WealthSimple Trade. It's free, completely free to download and start investing. You can start with as low as $50 or even $10. All right, so now we're headed home and we'll see you guys there. Right, Harry?
Yeah.
This is Coffee with Karan. So, Harry, you had some questions for me?
Yeah, well, since we are talking about trading, I had 4 major questions for you to answer me.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, my first question is, why do I invest? Why is it important for me to invest, right? Why can't I just hold my money into my savings account? Why is it necessary for guys like me to invest?
So the main reason is for you to grow your money.
Okay,
Moving on.
Moving on to my second question I had.
Yeah.
Now, since I'm a new investor, I don't have much money.
Yeah.
How much can I start with?
So you can start with as little as even $10.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And I'm putting a link down below that you guys can click. And if you sign up, if you're in the US, you're in Canada, or you're in the UK, if you sign up with that link, you get $10 for free. Okay?
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, so just for opening up an account, you get $10.
All right.
So I'm putting that link in the description below. You guys can click that and definitely sign up. But your question, what was it? You can start with as little as $10. But yeah, it's creating that habit, right? You want, for example, here in Canada, we get paid bi-weekly. So you can set up an amount. Let's say, for example, you start with $50 from your paycheck. Let's say you get $1,000, take $50 from your paycheck and put it into WealthSimple, right? So it's honestly, as the name suggests, it is that simple.
All right, that's awesome. Okay, moving on to my third question.
Yeah.
What are the fees related to this app that you're suggesting, WealthSimple?
Yeah,
So
for
how
sure.
much, what are the monthly fees? What are the yearly fees, if there are any? Yeah, if you could tell me that.
Yeah, for sure. So for the trade account for WealthSimple, they have 0 commission. Okay, so you can buy stocks, sell stocks for $0 commission. Right?
So that's awesome. $0 is awesome.
Exactly. So unlike some other platforms, like here in Canada, we have 5 big banks. We have TD, Scotia, BMO, and the others. They charge up to $10 per trade when you're buying either a stock or whether you're selling a stock. So that's why I'm recommending this platform for you guys. If you guys are new, you guys want to start buying stocks or ETFs, we'll talk all about that in later videos. But yeah, WealthSimple is a great platform for you guys to start at a very cheap price.
Awesome.
Actually for free, not even cheap.
Yeah. Karan bro, तेरे लिए मैंने पिज़्ज़ा बनाया है.
Oh, pizza बना लिया? Ready है? चलो
यार. Before we go there, wait, hold on. There's one
नहीं.
more question.
अच्छा, pizza नहीं खाना लेकिन.
Yeah, अभी तो नहीं यार.
अभी नहीं.
Yeah. So the last question is the fourth question. Now we have opened the WealthSimple account. You told me how awesome it is, how it is free to trade.
Yeah.
Now, where do I start with, right? Like, this is new.
Like, where do you want to start investing with?
Exactly.
Right? Yeah, for sure. So first off, I would say before you invest any of your hard money anywhere, I would recommend you guys to start investing with ETFs. ETFs are exchange traded funds. Basically, it's one stock that mirrors a bunch of companies. Okay. One example is the S&P 500. There's different ETFs within the S&P 500. Okay. So that said, we'll definitely, me and Harry, come out in future videos on which kind of stocks to pick out for 2021. Definitely stay tuned for that. So जे आपको ये video अच्छी लगी हो, definitely, Harry, what do they need to do? Let them know.
Oh, you gotta like it, guys. You gotta like and subscribe and comment below. What do you want us to make the videos on next?
Exactly. So definitely like this video, subscribe to my channel. And as we said before, if you guys are also interested on how Harry came here as an international student and now has already applied for a citizenship, let us know in the comments, right?
Yeah.
And we'll make a separate video all about it. So that was it for today, guys. Now we're on to the pizza.
Okay, now you can have your pizza.
Exactly. मेरे भाई, like this video, इस वीडियो को अभी लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, राइट हैरी?
And the most important part is share it with at least 5 friends.
Yeah, so share भी कर देना मेरे भाई. That was it, and I'll see you guys on the
next one.